Good day everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to insert and edit tables, rows, and columns in Google Docs. This tutorial should be pretty straightforward and really easy to follow, so anyone should be able to do this if you watch carefully. Now, let's get started. Please do not worry if you're not comfortable with the whole interface of Google Docs, as it can be quite confusing at first. Even if you are a beginner, a first-timer, or whatever, I will be here to guide you and show you the step-by-step process on how you can do this thing. Now, before proceeding with anything else, please make sure that the Google Chrome you are using is completely up to date. This is so that we can avoid any unexpected errors along the process. Now, as you can see in my Google Docs file, I have here a sample paragraph, which I also used when creating the grammar tutorial on Google Docs. And if you would like to check that tutorial, we actually have a specific and dedicated playlist for all of the Google Docs tutorial. If you want to check it out, please check it out on our YouTube channel, Learn Expert. Now, as you can see, I also have here a sample table right over here. This is a 3x5 table, by the way. Now, let's say for example, I would like to stretch this second row. I want to make it taller. How can we do that? You can make it taller by navigating either on the upper line right here or the bottom line of the second row, and then just dragging it upwards or downwards, whichever is applicable. I would like to drop it downwards like this and release my mouse. As you can see, as simple as that, we have made our table taller. Similarly, you can also increase or decrease its width, like this, or like this. Now, what if I would like to insert a row below this right here? How do we do that? What you need to do is to click on a cell in which you would like to add a row next to, which in my case is this cell. Right-click on that specific cell, and as you can see, we have tons of different options that we can choose from. Either we can insert a row above or below, or a column from the left to the right. What I would like to do is to insert a row below it. Just click on it once, and as you can see, it has added a row below this row. As you can see, as simple as that, we can create or insert more columns on like this, another one, and as simple as that, we can insert and edit columns and rows in Google Docs. If you learned something in this video, please consider subscribing, hitting the notification bell, and dropping a like. From here, I'll see you guys next time, and thank you for watching.